Welcome to Money Made Simple. Today we're diving straight into how to apply for Social Security benefits in 2025. Whether you're retiring soon or just planning ahead, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Eligibility and when to apply. First, let's talk about eligibility. To qualify for Social Security retirement benefits, you must be at least 62 years old and have worked for at least 10 years in jobs where you paid Social Security taxes. You can apply up to 4 months before you want your benefits to start, but keep in mind that your first payment will arrive the month after your benefits begin. If you're turning 62 in 2025, note that you must be 62 for the entire month to be eligible. For example, if your birthday is March 15th, you can't claim benefits until April, and your first check will arrive in May. How to apply? Applying for Social Security is straightforward. You have 3 options. 1. Online, visit the official Social Security website at ssa.gov and complete the application. It's fast, secure, and available 24/7. 2. By phone, call 1-800-772-1213 to apply over the phone. Representatives are available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. 3. In person, schedule an appointment at your local Social Security office. Bring all required documents to avoid delays. Documents you'll need before you apply. Gather these essential documents: your Social Security number and birth certificate, proof of U.S. citizenship or lawful residency if you weren't born in the U.S., your W-2 forms or self-employment tax returns from the past year, bank account details for direct deposit, military service papers if applicable. Your benefit amount depends on your earnings history and the age you start claiming. If you claim at 62, your benefits will be reduced by up to 30% compared to waiting until your full retirement age, 67 for those born in 1960 or later. On the other hand, delaying benefits until 70 can increase your monthly payout by up to 32%. Use the My Social Security account to estimate your benefits and decide the best time to claim. What happens after you apply? Once you submit your application, the Social Security Administration will review it and contact you if they need more information. Approval typically takes 3 to 5 months, so apply early to avoid gaps in income. You'll receive a decision letter in the mail, and your first payment will arrive the month after your benefits start. For example, if your benefits begin in March, your first check will come in April. And that's it. Applying for Social Security in 2025 doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these steps, gather your documents, and choose the best time to claim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Money Made Simple.